Hello and welcome. Today we're showcasing the Retheno Carrara White 5-pack of 2x12-inch marble chair rail trim molding. Made from natural Bianco Carrara stone from Italy, each piece features unique color, veining, and patterns. These polished marble trims measure 2 by 12 inches with a thickness of just over 1 inch. Designed with a classic ogee edge, they add elegant detail to any space. Perfect for bathroom walls, showers, or kitchen backsplashes, they provide a sophisticated stone tile edge finish. Each box includes 5 pieces protected with foam to ensure safe delivery. Enhance your home with these luxurious and durable marble trims today. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.